Look, they're feeding on it like a carcass. These are zombie bears. Look, you can get right in close. Oh, whoa! Look, the bread's still there. They're gonna go for it. Look, they're wild animals. Look, it's on its back. Look. Where's it? Zombie bird. Let's go. Well, let's do it again. Ready? Zombie birds. Zombie birds in Birkenhead Park.
Yeah, park.
Ready?
Hi, zombie bird.
Let's see how they do with this piece of carcass. This is a big lump of meat. Ugh. Eat it. Look, they're all on top of each other. Gonna get to the blood.
What?
No, I'm just joking. All zombies. All of these are still eating that piece of meat.
Dad,
Look.
do you see channel?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Hi, hello. Boo!
These are
Boo!
in real life the zombies would.
That's the bed. How do you just pond?
Yeah, look, this is where we are in Birkenhead Park on a very wet day during a lockdown, but still I can have fun with zombie birds. Let's see if we can touch one.
Oh,
it's got it in the water. The goose is going to get it now. Oh, the birds have lost it to the goose. And the seagulls are trying to pinch. Look, the seagulls are pinched it. Look. Zombie seagulls. Bye-bye, zombie birds. Bye-bye, zombie seagulls. Right, come on. Let's go.